Hello traders, David here. Today I want to show you two trades on two different currency pairs, the UsdChf and UsdJpy. They are both bullish trades, and I want to walk you through my thought processes and why I took them. So yesterday I was looking at the dollar index, and I saw that somewhere here, and I realized that the dollar index was bullish. Okay, price has just bounced off this point, and if we were to count waves, I would take that as the beginning of the fifth wave, because this is the first wave here, second, third, fourth, and the fifth. So when I saw that, I knew that the major currency pairs like the euro, the pound, the yen, and the Swiss were all going to react. So I decided I actually took trades on three: the euro, the Japanese yen, and the Swiss pairs. But my euro trade closed before I could closed yesterday. So I decided to just make video on the Swissy and the yen pairs. So when I saw this yesterday on the dollar index, I went to the Swissy, and price was in this region. If you can see my rectangle, price was in this region. So I came to the 4-hour chart and I saw this, and you know, because from this is the daily chart for the dollar index, price was already bullish. So I didn't really need to go down too high. I didn't need to go to the higher time frame for the Swiss pair. I just looked at it here, and I went lower actually to look for an entry point. So what I did was, this is the 15-minute chart, and I think price was somewhere in this region when I came here. So what I did was I decided to wait for a retracement, and for that I I used let me see here. I think I used the 38% retracement, okay, to get into this trade yesterday. So I did that, and you can see what happened. Price, one moment, so get rid of this rectangle here. Okay, so you can see what happened. This is the 15-minute chart. So price came down, activated my it was a buy limit, I believe, and took off. Okay, so that's what's going on with the Swiss pair. And for the Japanese yen, I did basically the same thing. I saw the same wave bottom situation setting up on the 4-hour chart, and I entered yesterday, and unfortunately I think I got taken out by this spinning top / hammer bar here. But not to worry, today I got into the trade again, and as you can see, I've placed several limit orders here to take me up to the third target if possible. And if we were to look at the daily chart, you will see that even though we are in a downtrend, so to speak, but price is beginning to reverse to the upside. So at the very least, I expect to get to at least the first target here. Okay, so I'm watching the trades. My target is set to the third level, but if I sense any retracement or something on the first target area, I will take my profits and run. So for those of you who are still finding it difficult to find trades, you can do what I did. Okay, you can just keep your eye on the dollar index, and just look at what it's doing. So whenever you see a bullish move here, you should know that the euro and the pound, okay, they are going to do the opposite. So that means now that the dollar index is going up, the pound and the euro are supposed to be going down. They may not always respond exactly the same, but the euro mimics the dollar index almost to a T. Okay, same thing for the Swiss and sometimes the Japanese pair. But you see, at the same time, don't throw away your sound technical analysis just because the dollar index is going in a certain direction. Just follow what the market is telling you. If you see an uptrend like this, just wait for an opportunity to go in by looking for retracements. Okay, and if you see a downtrend, same thing. Wait for retracements and go in and make your profits. Thank you very much.